Hello everyone and welcome to this brief presentation on the apply procedure for PhD programs at Polito. In the first slide, you see how to access the apply page. If you are or were a Polito student, you need to access through your personal page of the Portale della Didattica. If you never registered before, you need to click on Studying and Teaching. Then you will click on Apply at Polito and then on Registrazione, that means registration. At this point, you need to insert your data. If you haven't a fiscal code yet, you can not enter it for the moment, but remember to request it at the embassy during the visa application phase because you will need it at the time of enrollment. Once you entered all your data, you will get your username. To activate it, you will need to click on the link that you will receive at the main email address you previously indicated in your personal data. From now on, whenever you want to access Apply, just click on Login and enter your username and password that was sent to you via email. When you have entered your application, you will have to fill it in step by step, following the order of the sections. Do not try to enter the course of study immediately because it is necessary to complete the previous section first. Check your data and insert your photo. And then add your high school studies career first, and then your university studies university careers. To be noticed is that bachelor degree and master of science degree careers are considered university studies, but the first or second level university masters obtained in Italy does not correspond to a master of science and therefore does not give access to the doctorate. But you can attach the certificate in the attachment section in correspondence with other documents. In this section, you can select the types of Italian and English language certificates you have. Now you can select the PhD course or courses you want to participate in, as you see in this slide too. And if you have the requirements and want to participate in the Polito PhD China project, you must specify it here by clicking on Yes. If you have entered 2 or more second-level qualifications in the educational background section, you must select the one you want to apply for access to the doctorate. In this section, you must indicate whether or not you are working at the moment. If you work, you must specify the type of work you are doing. In this section here, you must enter all the references of your publication. And after that, you must enter the references of 2 professors, one of which, preferably from Polito, willing to issue any letter of reference. The evaluation board may ask your reference for this letter, but it may also not consider it necessary and therefore not contact them. In this section, you must attach all the documents necessary for your evaluation, as indicated in the call for application. Check from the call if you have the possibility to self-certify. In this case, you can use the facsimile attached to the call or the pre-filled self-certification issued by your university. Always remember to date and sign your self-certification. Here are some other attachments you need to add. Same thing here. And then we are in the Save and Submit section where you have to check all your data. And then, if the data are correct, you must check the declarations. Okay, finally, you must pay the registration fee for the competition and then submit. In case you have not entered mandatory data, you will be told what is missing. In this case, you will have to add the data in one of the previous sections and only then you can submit. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation was helpful and have a good day.